What's happening, people? What's happening? Today we're heading to H Mart Orlando, an amazing Asian market where you'll find everything from fresh fruits and seafood to unique sweets and products that you will not see at places like Walmart or Publix. And guess what? The vibe was on point. They were even playing Spanish music when I visited. Check it out.
Strawberry. Signature sunrise you had it last time. Wow.
Jackfruit. Wow, I never heard of that. That is 620. Ah, don't do that. Go the other way. Okay. Let's go 622. What? Pretty cool. That's amazing. You get some green 620. Watch out, Sophie, watch out. Sophie, watch out. What? What pineapple? Okay, I'm gonna get it right now. Wow,
It was not right yet. But this looks right. This looks right.
The pineapples. It's 14.99. Wow, look at that one. Look at these. Wow. I know, that one's like ready to get out. Oh, look at the side. Oh, that's a big one. I've never seen that.
The clampers are tape.
Look at these. Oh, wow. What are these supposed to be?
They look poisonous.
Yeah, they look.
Were you thinking about it?
Yeah, I thought about it for a solid like 4. Milk.
Let's have them.
Yeah, it's a yogurt drink. That one's strawberry flavor. That one's milk flavor. I don't like milk so much.
Hello, kitty. What? Wow.
So if you are in Orlando looking for something different, H Mart Orlando is definitely worth checking it out. They got great food, great buys, and so many unique finds. This place really surprised me. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures.